Heavens open wide without a warning. Dark clouds gathered over every shore. Rising water swallowed up the morning, sweeping hope from door to door. When the rains won't stop their falling, and the ground gives way beneath, can you hear Sri Lanka calling? Don't let them stand in pain alone. Mountains tremble, ancient earth is sliding, people seeking high ground. Echoes of their fear and pain colliding as their world comes crashing down. When the rains won't stop their falling, and the ground gives way beneath, can you hear Sri Lanka calling? Don't let them stand in pain alone. Walls are falling, rivers overflowing, dreams are scattered in the storm. But even in the darkest winds that's blowing, a single light can keep them warm. When the rains won't stop their falling, and the ground gives way beneath, can you hear Sri Lanka calling? Don't let them stand in pain alone. So give what you can give today. Let compassion lead the way. For Sri Lanka, let us stand, reaching out with open hands. Hear their voices, hear them calling. Hope can rise where rain is falling. Hope can rise where rain is falling. Hope can rise where rain is falling.